Hello and welcome to the next lecture from this email marketing passive income course. In our previous lecture we had a short introduction, and now we are going to discuss how we can earn passive income through email marketing. Okay, we are going to cover the process and see exactly how are we able to do that. So how can you earn passive income through email marketing? This is the question that many people ask themselves, and you will see that it's not something very complicated. It's just a system that you need to follow and apply. First of all, you need to set up an automated email marketing sales funnel. I think everybody knows what a sales funnel is. It's basically the process through which you take a client from being only a prospect to actually selling something to them. Okay, it can be basically an email series of follow-ups, or in the case of classical business, it can be phone calls, or it can be a system that actually takes you as a client from being a prospect to actually buying something. That's a sales funnel. This is going to require some very important resources like an email marketing services. Probably you have heard about GetResponse or Aweber or MailerLite or MailChimp, which is probably the most popular one, or other email services like that allows you to send emails to your list and to create different automations. You are going also to need online traffic. So basically you need to generate online traffic to your email marketing sales funnel, and a product to sell or to promote. It can be your own product, or as we have discussed in other lectures, it can be an affiliate product or a product of someone else. Okay. The process is similar in any niche you would want to go into and can be adapted to sell almost anything. So there are people in the world who are selling different things through email marketing, even physical products. Okay, there are other people who are selling only digital products. Anyway, it can be applied to absolutely any single niche. Now let's have a look at the process, which is very, very simple. First of all, you can see that this process is centered on the middle, let's say on the middle element here. So even if the logic of the process is traffic, landing page, and email series, we will actually start the process with the middle part, okay, with the landing page and the opt-in form. So in order to start to build an email list, so basically people, leads to which you can sell through email marketing, you first need a landing page or an opt-in form. Okay, that means that we will focus on creating our own website, or we can have a landing page which is hosted on our email marketing autoresponder. For example, GetResponse allows you to do that. Aweber allows you to do that. MailerLite allows you to do that. So you have landing pages there. Basically, people, it's like a self-hosted page where you send the traffic, where you send people. You don't need your own website or anything like that. They host it for you. You just send people there. They go into your email list, and then you can mail to them using that particular email marketing service, obviously. So we create our landing page. Then we need to send traffic to our landing page, and for that we have different options like pay-per-click traffic. So basically like Google AdWords or Facebook ads or Bing ads. We have social media. Basically we can grow a Facebook group or a Facebook page, or we can go on Pinterest or on Twitter and drive traffic from there. And there are other sources of traffic as well, like solo ads and many others. And we can also, after we are done with the traffic part, we have to test different traffic sources, obviously. In our email marketing service, we have to prepare an email series. That's the actual email marketing sales funnel, okay? Basically, we will set up an autoresponder. So we will create an email series that absolutely anyone who joins our email list gets automatically. They can be sent from one day to the other, from 2 to 2 days, or it depends on you how you want to do it, okay? And in the final email or in the final emails, it depends how long your email sales funnel is. You need a product to sell through those emails, okay? You need to send people to a sales page. It can be your own product, it can be an affiliate product, whatever, okay? So this is the process. Now, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.